Are you tired of the struggles that come with freelancing? The constant hustle for clients, the never-ending battle to stand out in a sea of competitors, the feast or famine cycle of income. What if I told you there's a way to break from these struggles and pave a path to success unlike anything you've ever experienced before? Let's face it, freelancing can be tough. I've been there, there's no question about it. From inconsistent income to the constant pressure to find new clients. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and burned out. This again is super common. I've been there. And with the rise of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, competition is harder than. It often feels like a race to the bottom, with freelancers undercutting each other just to secure a project, just charging less and less and less and getting not what you deserve at all. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this vicious cycle? Enter the power of building a personal brand. When you have a strong personal brand, you become more than just a freelancer. You become a trusted authority in your niche. Clients no longer see you as just another option as they do on Upwork. They see you as a solution to their problems. For many freelancers, finding new clients is a constant struggle. You spend hours scouring job boards, sending out cold emails, networking on social media, all in the hopes of landing your next gig. But what if there was a better way? With a strong personal brand, lead generation becomes effortless. Instead of chasing after clients, they come to you. And trust me, there's nothing sweeter than inbound leads. Okay? Your brand attracts the right clients like a magnet, and they're willing to pay a premium for your services because they see the value that you bring to the table. But it's not just about one-off projects or anything like that. It's about building long-term relationships with your clients. When you have a personal brand, clients aren't just hiring you for a one-time job. They're investing in a relationship with a trusted partner who understands their needs and delivers results consistently. This can lead to endless amounts of month-on-month deals where you get paid by the same client every single month and a long-term committed relationship. Hi, I'm Mike, the founder of Casually Convert. I've succeeded with my own freelancing business before embarking on this project. Personally, my best month freelancing was $23,000 and my best single day, $5,000, along with 90% plus profit margins. This is why I'm the right person to illustrate this process. I've created through my personal experience. Prior to starting the freelance business, I worked a 9-to-5 as a telecommunications engineer, earning about $3,000 per month. And this was with overtime. This wasn't my flat pay. This was long hours, cold weather, outdoors, climbing poles, fixing telephone lines. It was a non-scalable job. I was capped with my income. I couldn't go any further than I was. And I was only 23 years old at that point, and I had reached my peak. I was reporting to bosses constantly, right? And I had no freedom. Asking for days off, limited days off, right? On August 1st, 2022, I decided enough was enough and learned a high income skill. My personal choice was landing pages. That's basically just a one-page website with the sole focus of driving a lead to a specific outcome. That could be book a call, sign up to a newsletter, purchase a product, and so on. While learning landing pages, I mastered the art of acquiring clients through social media. This was done through both trial and error, along with paying for expertise to fast track my success. Fast forward 180 days, and I replaced my 9-to-5 income and handed in my notice. This left me freelancing full time. The protocol that I followed looked like this, okay? The freelancing game changes when you're an authority and what you do. I amassed nearly 40,000 followers across platforms in under 18 months of just posting online. This is for you if you have expertise in any industry and you want to scale your income exponentially by leveraging new technology. This is for you if you've ever considered or attempted to start a freelance business outside of your 9-to-5, but you weren't able to turn it into a highly profitable business because you had missing pieces of the puzzle, you simply didn't know where to start, or you just didn't have the confidence and the guidance to actually put in the work. Okay, if you're willing to do the work and you are ready to build a serious freelancing empire without struggling to find leads, without competing like sites on Upwork and Fiverr, and without competing on prices, you sign high-ticket clients only, then read on and study this document. This is only for people serious about turning their skills into a remote business. You will need to work. This isn't for people looking to get rich quick. Right? It's not like crypto or forex trading that realistically doesn't work. So Are you ready to break free from the struggles of freelancing? Are you ready to build a personal brand that sets you apart and attracts high-paying clients effortlessly? The power is in your hands. The choice is yours. Start building your personal brand today and unlock a future like nothing else you've ever experienced before. Click down below. Let's get you started now, and let's talk with me personally and see how I can help you individually. Take care. Talk soon.